Hello guys, so from today's onward we are going to start our Java 0 to Infinity course in which we will master the Java the right way. In this course, we are going to start the Java from the absolute basics and take it to the very advanced level. In this course, we will not only learn the Java syntax and just cram the things. We will see exact internal working of Java and see how everything inside Java works. So this is going to be the introductory video in which first we will see who should take this course, how this course is different from any other course available on the YouTube or any other platform, and why it is going to be the best course on Java on entire YouTube or any other platform. And then we will see how this course is structured and how you can take the most out of it. So without any further ado, let's start today's video. So let's first see who should take this course. So as earlier I have said that this course is going to start from very basics. So anyone who is absolute beginners and having no programming experience can take this course, or the students who have some basic programming experience but want the strong Java fundamentals can take this course, or any developers who want to do the backend development with the help of the Java's framework like Spring Boot should take this course, because the Spring, without knowing the Java foundation, you cannot understand exact working of the Spring Boot or any other Java framework. So now let's see how this course is different from any other course on the YouTube or any other platform. Because in this course, every concept includes the clear explanation and then the practical code examples, and after that you will be getting quiz to enhance your theoretical knowledge about the Java. Then you will be getting hands-on practice problem in the form of labs in order to enhance your practical knowledge of the Java. So with the quiz you will be enhancing your theoretical skills, and with the labs you will be enhancing your practical knowledge. And finally, for the revision, you will be getting the mind maps with each videos, or after covering a certain topic you will be getting the mind maps, so you can do a revision very quickly. And then finally you will be getting the real world mini projects. So the main agenda of this course is to learn by building and not just by watching the videos. So let's see how this course is structured. So this course is going to be divided into the three parts: Java basics, Java OOPS, object-oriented programming, and then the Java advanced topics. And let's see. And finally, there will be the two major Java projects that is solely created with the help of Java. So for more detail, like what are the topics that will be covered in each part, let's go to our website codersfile.com, in which there will be a complete roadmap. So let's go to our website www.codersfile.com and then go to the Java section. So as I have already told you, this course is going to be divided into three parts. So in the first part, Java basics, we will first start with the how Java actually works. What is the JVM, what is JDK, what is JRE, and what is Java virtual machines, and how all these components interact with each other in order to run the Java programs. Then after that, we will learn about the data types in the Java, like what are the primitive data types, what are the non-primitive data types, what is meant by the typecasting, what is typecasting, and all this in the data type videos. Then we will learn about what is arrays and the strings in the Java. And then finally, we will learn about the methods in the Java and what are the method overloading. So this will cover our Java basics. After covering the part 1, we will move to the Java object-oriented programming, and this is going to be the soul of the Java programming language, because Java is completely 100% object-oriented programming. So what we will learn in this part? So in this part we will first learn about what is meant by the classes, what are the objects, how to create the object in Java. Then we will learn about what are the constructor, what is this keyword, what is super keyword. Then after learning the classes and the object and the constructor, then we will learn about the 4 pillars of the object oriented programming, that is inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. And after covering all the four pillars of the object-oriented programming, we will learn about what is a functional interface in Java and Lambda expressions. So this will cover our object-oriented programming part, that is part 2. After covering the part 1 and the part 2, we will move to the Java Advanced, in which we will learn about the exception handling. And this is going to be the very important, because if you are planning to do the backend in the Java, like using some framework like Spring and Spring Framework, then exception handling will be used majorly. Then we will learn about what is meant by the annotations in Java. Then we will learn about the collection frameworks. There are different types of collection frameworks in Java and how these are internally works. Then we will learn about the generics, and finally we will learn about the multi-threading and concurrency. So this is going to be the Java Advanced topics. So after covering the Java theoretical knowledge, we will be doing the two projects. One will be the mini project and one will be the major project. In the mini project, we will be making the bank account management system, and in the major project, we will be making the Zomato clone that is going to be made solely with the help of Java, and it is going to be the console based. So this is the complete roadmap that we will be follow in this Java 0 to Infinity course. So let's start the journey. So in the next video, we will be starting our Java 0 to Infinity course, in which we will setting up our Java environment, and then we will learn how we can use the our coders file website in order to get the most out of this course. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are excited about our Java 0 to Infinity course. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.